welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today we are going to a pure barre class. Lauren signed us up and I've never done barre before. It's like a mix of barre and reformer Pilates. I haven't done this specific class before, so we're all in for a surprise. Yes, and I'm so weak. I've been doing my yoga consistently, like every day for the past, has been 3 weeks now. So flexibility is better, but as far as strength goes, we'll see.
No, you'll be fine.
We'll see how this goes.
I've just been loving Pilates lately.
Yes.
Like now that Amanda's in town, like we need to all go together.
It's such a good workout. I feel like it's so good for just lengthening your body and toning.
Yeah,
and it's
it
just
really is. It like works
so
muscles
good
that you didn't even realize you had.
literally. That's
so
honestly
good.
why a lot of people like it for after having a baby, because it works your abdomen so well.
Yeah, that's what a lot of I've heard
It
people
snatches your stomach.
say. Really?
Yes. We're all here
I'm
together.
so happy. I haven't seen Lena in so
I know.
long.
When was the last
Was
time?
it before Jordan?
Yes.
Oh my god, that was a long time ago.
Oh
my god, I was
I
thinking.
feel like I've seen you,
I
but
feel like
maybe-
I've seen you, but I don't think I have because I haven't seen Elena.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
That's
Oh
crazy.
my god.
We missed you at San Antonio.
I missed y'all
I
too.
know.
I wish y'all could have came, but y'all just need to plan another time and come.
I know.
Oh,
The grandparents to watch the babies while we go work out. JoJo's taking a nap, so. Today is Elena's princess party day. This is actually one of my samples, but it is the wrong color. It is even looking brighter on camera actually, but it was just a little bit too bright for what I wanted for my collection. But I figured for a princess party, we might as well try it out. I did wind up making this one breastfeeding friendly, but in my next one that I try, I'm gonna just do it without it because I felt like it kind of took away from the design. But I'm gonna try it in a sage green. I think that will be gorgeous. So let me show you guys what else we set up for her party. Little princess goodie bags with snacks and chocolate and stickers and bubbles. Just did like really simple little kids table. I could have done more, but I just went simple. I got these really cute little castle plates. This is a little activity that we're gonna do. We're gonna decorate crowns with jewels, and then I got this banner, so I just put it there. Very cute. And here is how the bounce house ended up looking. This is my balloon arch that I did DIY. So yeah, just tried to keep it simple. It's just gonna be like 5 or 6 of her little girlfriends from her class. It's Sunday morning. We're about to have brunch at my mom's house with the whole family. Looks so yummy. It's a few days later. We had a really nice weekend with Amanda in town. I did not film. Every time Amanda's in town, honestly, we lounge on the couch in our PJs or our loungewear. We don't do anything. We look like slobs, so most of the time we are just not filming. That's the honest truth of why we don't get much content together, because we literally are just slobs on the couch. But it was a nice relaxing weekend, and Elena actually starts school tomorrow. We already went to her meet the teacher. I am officially a parent to a pre-K-er, which is so crazy. Tonight I'm actually gonna be like, well, I'm prepping dinner right now. I'm gonna do her lunch because I want to start making her lunches the night before, since we have to get up so much earlier, because this is gonna be the first time she's gonna be in full-time school. Before we would kind of get her there in the morning, like 9-ish, but now she's got to be there at like 8 o'clock. I'm like, what time does she have to be there in the morning? Let me figure that out. I just know that'll make mornings so much better, so we're gonna make her lunch. I'm gonna make dinner because Omar's almost home. Another little life update is that Omar did go back to nursing. He's actually a nurse educator now, and I'm really, really proud of him. We didn't really know if him working with me full-time was gonna be like a forever thing, and it just, within the last year, we just felt like it was the right thing for him to go back. And he's honestly really, really happy, and he loves his job, alhamdulillah, and it's just a little bit of a different routine for us now. Anyways, I'm just gonna pop this in the oven. Let me show you guys what I made. So this is chicken and potatoes with garlic, cilantro, lemon, and garlic salt, black pepper, olive oil. It's very simple, but it's so, so yummy. I added a little bit of water so it just makes things really tender, and add to the juice because the juice is really nice to put on top of the rice. So we have some rice going in the rice cooker, and I'm gonna make a salad. So let me cover this with foil, and it's gonna go in the oven. that time of year where we start making school lunches again, and it's fun in the beginning, but for some reason it just gets, I don't know, it's just that extra thing that you have to do. So I'm gonna try to do it the night before every day. Most of the time it's probably gonna happen after the kids go to sleep, but I'm gonna really try not to do that because I'm so tired when they go to sleep. I should probably do it now, like after I make dinner, I'll just make her lunch. So we're gonna do a Lebanese sandwich. I'm still making my own Lebanese, you guys. I'm so proud. It's literally the easiest thing ever to make, and I think I've shared it with you guys before, but it's store-bought yogurt. I get like an organic Greek style yogurt. You strain it in a bowl like overnight with some salt, and then you have Lebanese. So we're gonna do just some sandwich bread, a little drizzle of olive oil on one side. This is better with pita bread, but I'm gonna get in some whole grains, I guess. I always wonder, like, what do kids that are not Arab eat? Because all my kids eat are Lebanese. It's just funny because I'm sure like in every culture, there's that kid food that you just like always feed your kids. Let me know what your food in your culture is for that, because yeah, I'm just curious. I have my little heart cutter, so I'm gonna make it into a heart shape for her. Like a little Uncrustable. It's a heart. It's so cute. It doesn't fit perfectly in there, but it'll do. We're gonna do cucumber, carrots, strawberries, cheese, some walnuts. These are the cookies I always pack for her lunch. They're small enough for the lunchbox, and they're made with almond flour, so I really like these. Okay, dinner is served. Good morning and happy Friday. It is about 10 a.m. and Jonah is down for a nap. I just steamed my hijab so I could look presentable for you guys. And I'm gonna get to doing some cleaning and a little bit of cooking. I decided that Fridays are my reset / cooking day, so I can cook a little bit of food for us to have during the weekend. So I have food to feed the kids and stuff like that, and especially after Elena gets home from school, I can give her her meal and Jojo too. So I thought I would take you guys along today. It's been a little bit of just like an off week with Elena starting back school. We're trying to get back into the routine. I'm sure if any other mamas are here, you guys know it's like the first week of school is adjustment, and this is Elena's first week of pre-K, so she's there full time now, and she gets home from school so exhausted. I feel so bad for her, honestly. We've been going to my mother-in-law's house after school, but we just need to come home, relax. It's just a little bit too overstimulating with all the cousins. We're used to like during the summer, our routine is like hanging out with all the family, having dinner at my in-laws and my parents, and just being all together. But now that school started, I feel like what she needs is to come home and just decompress. So that's what we're gonna do today, and I'm planning to do from now on. But other than that, alhamdulillah, she loves school. We're such different people. Like me as a child, I was so anxious, so nervous, and did not want to go to school, but she, mashallah, is so confident. She loves being with her friends. I'm so proud of her. I still have the bounce house and balloons, but some of them under there I still need to pop, but I have not had the chance because every time I do have the chance, I'm with the kids, and every time I pop the balloons, they cry, both of them, like it's so loud. So Emily actually taught me a way to pop the balloons where it doesn't make a noise, where they just kind of deflate. So I'm gonna try that. Apparently you like pull the end of it and you cut it with scissors, and I can't have them pop because Jojo's sleeping. I'm gonna wake him up. I'm gonna go ahead and take this down, fold up the bounce house. I'm gonna get to cleaning the kitchen and all that good stuff. Talk to you guys in a little bit. We're good. So yeah, apparently if you want to pop balloons but you don't want them to make noise, you pull the end of it and then you can cut it right there, and it'll just leak out air. That's so much better. I wish I'd known about that sooner. That was literally the last balloon and I popped it. I'm just like waiting to see if Jojo's awake now. Okay, looks like we're good. Dang it. of the lovely moms who came for Elena's birthday party brought flowers to the house, which they did not even have to do. And how gorgeous is this arrangement? It's a week later, so it's kind of drying out, but I think I'm gonna have to get rid of it because I'm seeing flies around these flowers and I just cannot do the flies anymore. I wanted to get one last look at this pretty arrangement. We've got a little grocery haul because I got some stuff to make the kids lunch, or like early dinner, I guess, and a few other things. I got my Moroccan mint tea by Numi that I love, pasta sauce. I got a zucchini to blend up into the pasta sauce. We're gonna do angel hair pasta. I got some treats for me and treats for Elena and more treats. Did I get anything else? They did not give me meat. That was like one of the main things I needed. I think I have some to defrost. Samples in for my packaging for Ella, and it's not perfect yet, but I wanted to take this opportunity to go ahead and just say thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for all of y'all's kind feedback about Ella. You guys have no idea how excited I am for the future and for just starting this new venture and bringing you guys along and just creating pieces that you guys want. I got all of y'all's feedback from the last video and I'm starting to design my next collection. So I'm taking all of your requests and all the things that you guys want to heart, and I cannot wait to bring you guys the next collection, inshallah. This is the packaging so far. The real one won't have the border on the edge. It will just all be one color. I don't know if this is the look or not. I may try one of our other colors because I have like more of like a softer pink. So I may try that instead of this. What color am I calling this? Like a warm rose. And this is the box. It's got some flaws because it is the sample, but it says designed with love for every chapter of your story. I just want you guys to feel special when you open up your Ella boxes. But I think this time around, I think we're just gonna do the bags. I'm not 100% sure yet. As long as we can get the bags ready in time, because this has got some work to do. There's like so many little details that go into the brand that I didn't even realize, honestly. It's kind of like when you're building a house. There's so many little details that you just don't understand that goes into building something like this. So it's the same with building a brand. Okay, let me do the floors and then I'm gonna start on making the pasta. Sauce and cook the zucchini a little bit. Okay, Jojo's hungry, so I'm just gonna grate some fresh Parmesan on top and then cut this up a little bit for him, and I'm probably gonna feed him so he doesn't make an absolute mess. Okay, Jojo's fed. I cleaned up the dishes. I went ahead and vacuumed, mopped with my Tinco, like basically everywhere else around the house, all the bedrooms and stuff. And then I got dressed and I'm wearing this outfit that I've been wearing on repeat. This is the tiered skirt from Naked and then the jean shirt from Naked as well. I'm waiting on Omar because he went to Friday prayers and he's gonna pick up Elena from school after that, and then he's gonna bring her here. He has to go back to work, and then I'm just gonna have a fun day with the kids, but I don't know what we're doing yet. I think we're just gonna chill at the house. It's too hot to do anything outside. I'm not sure what I'm doing today. I may call Lauren and my mom and see if they're busy. It's just more fun when we're all together. I thought while I was waiting for Elena to get home and Jonah is just playing around over here, I thought I would just give you guys a little update. I placed my order for my my first collection for Ella last night, and I'm so nervous but also so excited for you guys to see everything. I know I showed you guys everything in the last video, but I feel like, you know, you haven't seen everything in its full glory. Also, I think my camera quality is like not the best. I'm not sure what's going on. The pieces just look so stunning in person. Another thing is I have one more dress that you guys haven't seen on YouTube. I'm really excited for you guys to see everything. I think you guys are gonna love it. I'm also planning the photo shoot for next month as well. We're doing a photo shoot with models. I've never worked with models before, and I have 3 inshallah that are gonna be helping me shoot the collection. I know that a lot of you guys wanted to see the collection on different body types, so I got you girls. So I have the photo shoot next month, and I'm just so excited, but also I'm so nervous. The thing is, I have directed a photo shoot before. I mean, the ones for my drop collections, the one for Etsy with my Hijab bracelet. I mean, I was technically directing those, but it just didn't feel so big because, I don't know, it was just me and just my family and stuff like that. But this, I'm gonna have models and I'm gonna have to be directing them and stuff. I don't know. I guess I'm glad I have that experience prior to this. But there's so many little details that goes along with the photo shoot that I'm just like, oh my god. We'll see. I'm excited to like take you guys behind the scenes. I'm gonna see if Lauren can vlog for YouTube during that time, because she said she would come with me to like help if I needed her to, and I need all the help I can get. I hope you enjoyed today's weekly vlog. I love you guys so much. If you did like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. Also, if you have any other content requests, leave it in the comments, and I will see you guys in my next video, inshallah. Bye.